For everyone who suffers from redness, itchiness, especially in the eye, my today recipe is going to help you a lot. I'm going to give you a recipe for the eye wash that you can use direct on your eyes, and you'll relieve your symptoms of dry redness or itchiness, especially in the eye. Use the eye wash to help soothe them and encourage healing. Mix 4 treatments or 1 cup. You will need 2 tablespoons of dry elderflower, 2 teaspoons of dry chamomile flower, 2 teaspoons of dry basil, 2 teaspoons of dry thyme, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 teaspoon of sea salt per dose. In a small bowl, combine the elderflower, chamomile, basil and the thyme. Transfer to airtight container and label with the date, ingredients and directions to follow. Steep 2 teaspoons of tea blended in boiling water for 15 to 20 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt to the tea as it steeps, stirring to dissolve. Once cooled, strain and compose the solid. Pour the liquid in the eye cup, lean forward, placing the eye cup tightly against your eye with your eye open. Sit out, stand upright, flip your head back, blink several times, lean forward again. Rinse the cup with hot soapy water, then repeat with other eye, even if it's not affected. Repeat 4 to 5 times daily until the eyes are completely clear of any kind of irritation. Right now we know perfectly well that elderflower, thyme and this special herb in this special emulsion that you're gonna wash it especially in your eye is gonna help you a lot in natural way, and that is all what you need to know. Before we continue with the show, if you want me to treat you personally with my programs on natural medicines and nutrition, in combination with the most modern methods of physical therapy and rehabilitation, call MarioLab Center Zagreb from Croatia on contact phone +385 98 9179 200 or order directly through the new website mariolab.hr. Treatments in my office or telephone consultations are done in Croatian and English. Find out how in the last 25 years, I have cured thousands and thousands of people and my patients all around the world. If you want to learn a lot more about redness, itchy eye and natural remedies, click here on this little video. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.